There we are.
Yo. What up, guys?
Our vision for today.
I don't know what I'm feeling, actually. What are you feeling like today?
Well, I would like us to go bearish, but it doesn't matter what I want, you know? So that's the whole thing. This market does not care about what I want. I also think that London had quite a big of a move, so that we might not even move during New York. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm hoping we do, though, because London was all one side. Like, all we did the morning was chop here, push, chop again, until we finally rode off to the downside, but
yeah,
nothing too amazing. I think these lows have to go, though. I think they look pretty good. And maybe
I think so too.
Both highs and low. I don't really like this price action because straight off we dropped with the RTH. Sorry, no. This was the new week opening gap. Dropped off, pushed to the downside, and we've really been stuck within here. I think the open
It's very
will
awkward.
Probably tell the most.
I mean, we're still holding the 30-minute wick right now.
Yeah, and also this 9 a.m. candle has no wick as well. Ideal scenarios is if we want to buy, it goes lower. Just take these lows out.
Yeah.
ES is looking the strongest today. Off the open. Well, we'll see what we can get. I don't see this low from 7 a.m. being like the low of the day. Certainly think we should be able to take this low out. I don't see this holding for longer.
Yeah, especially because we have no wick right now. So
yeah,
we have to go lower a bit. It's going to be quite something, this open, though.
Holy, what's going on with silver today? Honestly, gold and silver weren't too bad. 3 a.m. longs. Not bad. I didn't watch gold today.
3 a.m. longs was crazy. None. It moves kind of in sync with within Q. What the fuck is going on? Usually it moves the opposite way.
Lately they've been moving in sync.
That's crazy. It's not supposed to.
They broke the market.
They broke it.
Looking at this price action. But honestly, today looks pretty boring. I mean, it's Monday, so we don't really need to rush into too much. Monday London session are usually the best for me. Today we just chopped around from this window, so I was like, this can get ignored.
The wick is gone. I mean, there is a wick now on the 9 a.m. candle. So
oh, finally.
No reason anymore to drop down. Now we just have this gap in the 30-minute. far as what I see now, there needs to be some kind of displacement with New York open to actually get something. Otherwise, we're just going to chop around again.
I hope no. I hope we don't chop. I can't sit through another chop for both sessions.
If you look at the 15-minute or the 30-minute, so we either have to inverse this big gap, right? This bearish gap, or we'd have to sink to the lows. There's two options.
Yeah, like this point, we can't do much within here. Unless you put your picks in of whichever side you think the market's going to run into at 9:30. If you're a bull or you're a bear. That could be worth doing a poll, actually.
Bull or bear? Can we do a poll in the chat?
Can we do that? Gideon?
And I know I have to be the opposite.
If the whole chat's bearish, then we gotta go bullish.
How do you know if the market is working in opposite sync of the metals? Well, you see the same kind of structure.
Yeah, usually
not entirely, but usually when gold moves up and Q moves down.
$52. Yeah, those highs look pretty good for gold. I probably won't trade it though. Although I'll just be watching. Thank you.
I'd be surprised if I actually do trade anything.
But gold?
Huh? Oh, anything.
But gold? Oh. Yeah, hopefully we get something nice out of this market. I don't have much hopes. Trump speaks tomorrow actually at 9 p.m.
Tomorrow or Wednesday?
Tomorrow. I think it's at 9 p.m.
No, it's on Wednesday.
Oh, it's Wednesday? I thought it was Tuesday.
President Trump speaks.
It's at 9 p.m. though, right?
For whom?
Trump.
It says 6 a.m. But that's for my time.
Oh, so Wednesday, your time. Yeah, so it's like 9 p.m. New York.
Yeah, that should be.
Yeah, so it's on Tuesday. Right?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, so, like that on Tuesday. Yes.
Yeah.
For me, it shows Thursday, though. Sorry, Wednesday.
Yeah, so it's your UTC -7?
I think a 9 hours difference with.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That makes sense. How are you guys doing? Come after a very long time. Yeah, we've been live for only 10 minutes right now, but if you guys are joining, I definitely think these lows should go. If we get the lows, then maybe we can short down to there. This gap's already failed. I don't want to see it hold up any longer. Is that paper account? If that paper account was still there, we could enter 100 minis short to send it lower. I don't know, but I would want to see this gap like inverse and we just push to the downside heading into today. Honestly, my draw is even lower, like 24,807, but I'll be asking for too much for it to get to there, I feel like.
okay. I think it'll be okay to target lower though.
I think so. What's my view for gold? I'm gonna have to see. Gold was actually pretty good today. I wish I traded this, but I didn't. Took out the low, initial run at 3 a.m. Then we pushed to the upside. Like this is actually a pretty good long. I didn't see it compared to NQ anyway, because we just chopped around for the most part of today, which we can't do much about. But I would leave gold and silver alone. But if you guys wanted to trade anything, I'd want to see the upside. Maybe a run lower to go higher.
We patiently have to wait here.
I think today your model worked well. Not today. I mean, today, last week was good for my model, but this week we just chopped around. Well, it's only Monday, but we just chopped around here, pushed to the upside. Gold, New York, we're just waiting for one side to get taken. I don't like most of this price action right now.
Just chopping at the moment.
Yeah, as soon as we switch to New York, this is what happens.
Well, I watched London as well, and it was shit. So,
what is this gap on at ES? Do you have this gap as well?
yeah, I see it.
Why did we just make a gap on? Is the gap on micros? Oh no, there's no gap on micros.
Minis.
I would have been worried if there was a gap.
There's no gap on micros? Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, no gap on micros.
That's crazy.
Otherwise, I've already been pretty worried, like what is going on.
I'm pretty worried for today, though. To be fair.
For this price section? Yeah. Oh, Asia? Yeah, nice.
Maybe we'll have to trade Asia for real.
No, I quit waking up for London. London's at like 8 a.m. for me. I'm not waking up anymore. I'm only going to trade New York. I decided. Like, I made some good money from London. Now I'm going to retire it. I feel like.
Retire London? But London
Yeah.
sometimes it's so good, though.
Sometimes it's good, yeah. But I can't be bothered waking up early anymore.
Yeah, I understand that. This will be interesting to see where the 30-minute will close, because where the 30-minute will close, that determines for me what is going to happen today.
Yeah, either we could just long into the open.
Yeah, because if we inverse this 30-minute gap, I would expect that we could go up more and maybe even hit that new week opening gap on Sunday.
Yeah. Just gonna have to wait and see. We have poked above the range high. If it's gonna be bearish, it has to like completely close below the 9 a.m. candles low. And I really watch the live streams. That's good to hear. As long as it's helping you improve the way you trade the markets.
Mm-hmm.
If we close below this candle, there'll be no need to trade up higher one more time though, right? From what I
If
can
what?
see. If we close below this candle at 910, there should be no reason for it to run higher again at the open. We should just
No.
think, looking at this.
Then we I would expect us to then just sink, but you
Yeah,
know.
like
In the end, we're still before open, so open can be pretty manipulative in that sense.
let's see.
Because on the 15, it looks like a big order block. You know what I mean?
Oh, actually, the 15 doesn't look that great. Where is low of the day right now? Low of the day is from midnight.
Yes.
We should make a new low of the day. We should make a new low of the day.
A new low of the day.
A day date. How about that?
Whoa, what about a day just?
If NQ makes new low of the day, Finn's going to give away a day date.
Sure.
We'll make new low of the day.
Sure.
There is a probability we could, because we made the low from midnight. It feels pretty weak to me.
Feels weak to me too. That's why I don't want to promise anything.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Bro. My monitor literally just fell off.
No way.
Yes, mate, that's insane. Alright, it's back up though. It literally just slanted off for no reason. That was insane. I got it back though. That's top 10 craziest Blue Guardian moments of all time.
That your monitor fell down?
Yeah.
Bro, I was sitting. I was too heavy probably for your screen.
Huh?
I was too heavy for your screen.
I know. It's because we started to sell off, bro. You see this candle's making new lows? Time for an upgrade,
15
bro.
minute doesn't look great.
I'm done buying monitors. You know how much I've paid on monitors? I must have spent like 5K on monitors alone.
That's crazy.
I know.
Bro, it's like, nah, I need another one.
I just kept buying them, bro.
I want another one.
They all just break on me.
That's even more insane.
The nasty market makers, yes. We should blame them.
Are we gonna dump? The 15 minute doesn't look like we are. What?
We should do a monitor giveaway, low key. I have like 4 sitting. If you guys want a monitor.
Bro, you know what kind of monitor I have? I have like a $60 monitor from Amazon.
Bro, I kind of nerd out on monitors, so I bought like the best one. And they all just break. So I realized there's no point of buying the good ones because they always break.
Because when you go on a losing streak, you hit them. No, I'm kidding.
You just break it.
Yeah.
You want a broken one? Yeah, the only issue is the screen is like all fuzzy all the time.
They break on you when you drop the display off your desk. They're normally not designed to bounce.
This one bounced low-key when it dropped. No, this one's a OLED one.
Oof.
Yeah.
That's good.
I
That is
know. So
good.
I can see these candles in like 4K. I can see my stop loss get hit in 4K.
Bro, get more monitors so that you can see yourself get hit on a stop loss from multiple angles.
That's where you need the ICT setup, bro, where he's got like 5 monitors
ICT, like
everywhere.
8 monitors. Like 2 stacks with like a hole in the middle. He can see himself lose from so many angles.
That's a full stack, bro.
He can see his Robin's Cup tweets from like multiple screens. Low-key, we should join the Robin's Cup.
Low-key, we should just sell NQ. Low-key, all of us should sell NQ and target this low.
Yeah.
Like, low-kindringly. You know what low-kindringly means?
I've got no clue, bro.
It's low-key and genuinely in one word.
Low so what?
Low-kindringly?
Low-kindringly?
Yeah, it's like low-key and genuinely in one word. So instead of me saying low-key and genuinely, we should sell NQ. We should low-kindringly sell NQ, bro.
Who made that up?
TikTok.
That is not English, bro.
It's TikTok brain rot, bro. Brain rot.
Low-kindringly.
Yo, I think if one of these guys runs lower, it's going to be Dow.
For sure.
In this price section.
Mm-hmm. I don't even want to do anything before open.
No, I'm going to see what the open does. I need to call my monitor guy as well. I'm like, bro, the monitor's broke.
Just died. Low-kindringly. All right, we got 6 minutes until open. We didn't move much at all. Cool.
Am I in trade? No, not yet. I'm probably just going to sit and wait for this open. Nothing good is coming from this.
He's selling 1,000 micros.
What is 1,000 micros? Like
100 minis.
Oh. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm up to. That's exactly what I wanted to do.
I know.
Yeah, this has actually been the like pretty boring price action heading into today.
Oh yeah.
Last week was very good. So if you guys didn't make your money last week, I'm not sure what you did, because last week was the week you needed to print. So it makes up for days like this where we're just so slow. Let's see. How long do we have? 5 minutes. Either the open just rushes it higher to short, or we just continue slowly higher to 24.041.
To be fair, the only thing I can say is if we inverse this 30-minute, we're gonna hit the high. It's the only thing.
This one at 25 even. They look pretty good.
Yeah, 25 even or 25.4 or whatever it is.
Yeah, I think so too.
If we inverse this 30-minute, then for sure that's gonna get hit.
Yeah, I would agree.
And then later on we'll
ES looks stronger as well heading into today.
Later on we'll hit that gap that's left, weekly gap.
Oh, it just poked higher actually. We got the poke up.
There you go. 4 minutes. I think today is gonna be a boring ass day. I'm so sorry to let you know.
I know. Your model is a sweep? Yeah, it is. But I think it goes a bit higher, like 25, even, maybe even higher to this new week gap. So I don't want to short it just yet. I might not have a trade for today, you know?
That would be crazy. Normally Mondays are crazy good. Crazy
One day
good.
London session is so good. They will be talked about for generations to come.
Yeah.
Oh, we got some buyers step in.
Yep.
I am the buyer. And I've stepped in.
Surely.
Like, who dares to trade without consulting with me?
Oh. Without a stop loss.
No, that's allowed.
I usually don't even use a stop loss, to be sure.
You don't? Damn. Is that the method? Is trading without a stop loss?
Yeah, because eventually if you let it run, you'll win. No, I'm kidding.
That's a good way to think about it. Because eventually
it will be in plus.
I agree. All right, we got a minute. If we're trading like this, there's no reason why we shouldn't pump higher. Off into there. When we take the
Look at this 30-minute close. I mean, if this 30-minute closes like this, you would get like a slight retracement to like fill that gap a little bit, and then you go up.
Yeah.
Or you just straight go up.
Straight up bounce.
Straight up bounce.
If a newbie might try that. Yeah. To be honest, I don't have much. I might not even trade today, you know. I like the looks of London until I came to here and it was just chopping, so I was like, nah.
Yeah, we go up.
Ignore that. Yeah, there we go. Got those highs cleared out.
Yeah.
Maybe push it even higher into like the new week gap.
Yeah, that's what I think.
25.
So we got an instant high here.
My monitor guy replied.
Wow. That's what I said. Yep. We did get that gap.
No, I think it squeaks one more. Like how much? 20 more points. I think it can just poke up one more.
Nothing to trade though.
Yeah, there's nothing. Straight dagger.
Yep.
But we could have a short. I want to see how this candle closes. How did the M1 do? Oh, these lows look too good to be left. Give me all of those lows. This is 7 a.m. low. Like, that low looks weak. There's no way we leave that. There could be a way we leave it, but for me, hopefully we don't leave it.
Could be a way
Yeah,
that we
either
get a strong reversal.
that is a way that I like. Now you're thinking. Now you're thinking. See how
There's
this
just
candle
no way
closes
yet.
though. Don't know. I low-key want to see it be like a pretty small body and like a large wick, because then we have like 50% of the wick to work off of. Gold crossed 52. Nice. I think it can go a bit higher. Maybe to like this high at least.
This market is way too volatile for me to put any trade.
Nah, yeah. I'm watching this 5-minute though, depending on how it closes. But I think it wants the gap first before we do anything.
Yeah.
But I can't buy up here. So that's basically my approach. If you guys are new, either I take a loss or I simply don't trade. My model tells me to short, so I'll only look for a short, right? But not just selling because I feel like it. Selling because I have some things lining up. Which I'm hoping for to be this wick. We close and then hold 50% to sell off. Like one or two things we can look for.
I don't think there will be any sell-off though. I mean, if you look at how strong the market is here,
a man can hope.
A man can hope. Let a man hope.
I know. I can't hope. I can't hope for the market to drop. I don't want to be a bull. This is just me. There's a reason I have this stamped on my charts.
No. I know.
Yo, one day these indices are gonna crash. Like they're gonna drop hard. That day might not be today. Might not be.
And then you'll be creating generational wealth.
It's gonna happen one day. That day I don't know, but every single day I'll tell you guys to short until that day happens. Because these stocks are way too high in my opinion.
Yeah.
Like, if they sell off, it's gonna be.
But that day might be today. No.
Yeah, it could be. It could be a day for 50 points to drop lower. Looking at this wick.
Look at YM. This is just.
Holy, that's like a 300-point pump.
But ES did it as well. So
NQ is the slowest one right now.
Yeah.
Let's see if this wick holds. I'd immediately just want to see a reverse down. Might take a lot of will doing. What did the poll come in? If the poll was bearish, then no wonder the market pumped.
Then we'll know why.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Is this the start of something great?
Is it?
It could be. Look at these wicks. Can South African trade? I'm not sure, bro. Can they?
What?
Can South Africans trade with Blue Guardian futures?
I don't think so at the moment, no.
Oh. If it was up to me, I would say yes. But it's not up to me. The thing is with NQ is the weakest. ES is way too strong. So even if we get a short in, it's going to heavily rely on ES to get weak.
True.
Give me a minimum to like at least the 7 a.m. lows. You know, I'm not asking for too much. All we're asking for is like 80 points to trade lower. 80 points and we're done for the shorts.
It's just moving like up and down too much to put any position in at one point. Unless you go in with like 1 micro. You know what I mean?
What's the VIX trading at? Oh, the VIX is at 20. No wonder. The volatility is pretty high right now.
Yeah. I don't like it when it's at 20 though.
I hate it when it's at 14, bro. Like trading London at that point, when the VIX is at like 12 to 14, there's no point. Like even with 1 minute, you only make, I think it was like 500 for 50 points. And that's like a stretch of a move too.
Yeah.
All right, this is the wick. I'm trying to see what it does here. Like if we're bearish, then we have to stay below this wick. But right now it's holding the bullish gap. And there is a lot of buyers in this market. The bulls are staying strong. Potentially nothing so far.
Potentially. I think we're just going to range over here. That's my expectation.
Yeah, as being the mega bear, I would love for it to just tank. Oh, the bears are stepping in. My biggest concern isn't this price action anymore. It's this damn monitor.
Look at the 2 minute though. Do you see this in a good market?
Oh yeah, this. Either we drop aggressively or it just chops around. That's the only two options I'm giving this market. Either we sell off. That's the only option we have. Sell
like
off.
really like sell off.
Yeah, like all the way down to here. That's the only two options. If it pumps higher though, we're gonna end the stream. Like I'm not watching a bull market. The hourly looks way too bullish. I know. I'm gonna be the only bear then, I guess. If you guys don't want to be a bear with me, I'll be the bear. I'll be the only guy shorting.
That's fine.
Shorting to the lows. Oh, there we go. Now some fellow bears are stepping in. Let's just tank it all the way to this low. Holy.
Whoa!
Ooh.
That's genuinely crazy.
Who is the only bear? The only bear. There's only one.
That's crazy.
I will fight 100 bulls if I have to. I had to do it for the one time. Now we have to just drop. Even more. Just give me the low. I just need the low. Give it me, man. Oh, you guys remember the wick we spoke about?
Whoa.
We foreshadowed this wick. Like, who remembers this wick? We fought. Oh! All right. This is. All right. Tell. Do we have to say anymore? Do we have to, like, if you guys are not liking the stream,
if we hold the wick, if we hold 50% of the wick, blah blah blah, and we dump.
Like, I don't find me anyone else on YouTube that was a bear today. I don't think there was anyone.
No,
Find me one
so.
guy. Who else was a bear today? Like, my DMs are getting flooded with everyone taking the same trades.
Gold went up.
Beautiful.
So sick.
Like, who? Like, I need 1,000 likes on this stream, or I'm never streaming with GuardianTV again.
No way. What are you saying? Okay.
Joking. This is beautiful.
That's sick. Look at this.
The only bear that fought off. This is a story you guys can tell your kids. This live stream. This stream you can tell your kids. You could tell your kids about how Ralph was talking about 50% of the wick holding today and the range. And you guys were the bulls. Everyone was like, we're looking too bullish today. I'm joking.
I only said if we go through that gap, we might touch the gap, and we did.
Yeah. I mean,
bro,
we got what
I
we
was
wanted.
literally, I was doing something entirely different. I was listening to a voice note, and that was for like 1.5 minutes. And after that 1.5 minute, I popped into the sound of the stream, and you were still talking about how great you are.
No, sometimes
it was literally.
Sometimes I have to.
I know.
Sometimes I have to get
the voice note, and then I hear, "You're gonna tell your grandkids about how Ralph predicted that 50% of the wick."
No, the funny thing is though, this is my A+ setup as well.
Oh yeah.
So. Oh, I'm up way too much dollars, bro. I'm up way too much money.
On what?
Oh shit.
Your consistency or what?
No, this is an account with no consistency. I'm currently up $30,000. How do I share this in the chat?
What?
What the fuck? Yo, can you guys see this?
Yeah.
I didn't know I had a limit still in.
Damn.
Flip, man.
Can you withdraw that?
Yeah, I need a few more winning days though. I need 3 more plots. All right, that's insane. All right. Trust in the model, ladies and gentlemen. Trust in the model. Holy. Yo. Bro, I checked my trade evade. I'm just going to keep holding. Fuck it. Let's just try and make this 100K day all the way to this low.
Do you have a payout cap there though?
The payout cap is 5K across 5, so I can only get like I can only make 25K, but
no.
But we'll have to like speak about the payout cap, get it all removed.
Look at the SMT.
The lows or the highs?
Lows.
Yeah.
There is a SMT at the high as well, though. For both.
I think I'm just gonna TP you here. Late, man. That's insane.
We got a lot to hold now, though.
Damn. It's insane. Yeah, so guys, we're pretty much out of and done with this market. It can do whatever it wants. Pretty crazy stream. So if you're only in these streams for the
lower.
Well, your camera froze, I think.
Oh.
I think it did. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it does sound like, looks like it, yeah.
If you guys are only in these streams for a free giveaway account, I'm not sure what to tell you. Like, the stuff me and Finn give you is just insane.
My device is great. Last part of the stream.
Worth way more than an account. I agree with you, Gideon.
Can you hear me though?
Yeah, I can hear you all good.
I'm not sure why it's not connected. Camera just disconnects. Not sure why. Alright, that's unfortunate. It's connected.
So good. Good, brother. We got your voice.
Yeah. The ASMR. ASMR.
Did I catch the short? I was the only bear, bro.
Would you think we dump lower? If I think about balance in the market, I think we should, but it doesn't look like we are gonna.
No, I have a feeling it might just want to push back up higher above this again.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That's why I would think out of this market. Because there's still unfinished business up here. So if you guys are not TP'd, heavily recommend you TP. I'm here for Ralph. Be here for Finn as well. Finn's a goat.
Damn. Should I feel offended?
No.
That hurt a lot.
His camera's dead. I was gonna say died.
His camera is dead. Died.
His camera is died.
Or when you said I'm mutted. You're mutted.
Finn's mutted, guys.
Damn, that's a strong push.
No, I still think there's unfinished business up here.
Yeah.
Get the unfinished business and then do.
This is like such chill music.
So if you guys are just joining the stream, just go back to the start of the stream and just go through my process, what I was speaking about here. This 50% of the wick is like my ideal entries. Dun, dun. All right, we got like a few minutes until 10 a.m. I don't know. We should be done with this.
10 a.m. I would expect like a reversal, to be fair.
Yeah, like to push up. Look at ES. ES looks so bad.
Yeah. But YM does now too. YM is the one pushing the lows now, actually.
Oh, it's the bear. Oh, yeah. YM looks pretty good, actually.
Yeah. Yes, I mean, NQ looks the worst now. Because it's hesitant where to go right now.
It's because ES is strong and then Dow's weak at this point.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm done with this market.
Consolidation. Yeah, might be.
It's held that gap. I don't know. ES I think might just drop a bit more. Perhaps.
We're just in between two gaps, so well, keep consolidating in between.
Doo-doo. We're basically just waiting out the time now, just to see 10 a.m. because there's not much coming from this market. Dun, dun. Let's see what we get out of here.
Let's see.
Finn's camera died.
I don't even know why.
Let's see if we tank. Dow's still looking like it wants lower. And ES is pushing, so wouldn't mind NQ just flipping though. Without Finn, stream's missing something.
Without what?
Without Finn, the stream is missing something. I'll get him to charge the batteries up next time.
Yo, it has an infinite battery.
It does? Oh, you have the
Yeah.
one that you plug in?
Yeah.
Nice.
Maybe it's overheated or something. I don't know. Is that possible?
It could be, yeah. W's in the chat. Definitely has to be W today.
It does feel quite hot.
Is the word for today W?
Yeah, for sure.
I think it has to be, right?
No doubt.
So word for today is W's, guys.
You can only type it once. All right. Should I choose the first one?
Yeah. Do you want to pick them both?
Nah, I'll pick one.
You wanna have the power?
Nah, you can have power too, bro.
All right.
We got the first one called the Dropout Trader.
I got one. Sam Fountain. That is the winners for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. I mean, if you're just here for the giveaway accounts, I don't know what to say. You should definitely just take in what's actually going on in front of you, because to make it in day trading, you got to learn what's really going on. So we'll be back live on Wednesday and Friday if you want to tune in. Matt's back live tomorrow. So enjoy the rest of your day and be safe.